Hi everyone, welcome to Amako Kitchen, and if you've been here before, welcome back. Today Amma is sharing her ground rice halwa recipe. It's super quick and easy to make and really delicious, so if you want to give it a try, prepare the following ingredients. 60 grams of ghee. As an alternative, you can even use butter. 300 grams of ground rice. Amma has purchased hers from the TRS brand. 50 grams of jaggery. This can even be replaced with sugar. To add a variation of textures and flavours, we are adding a few raisins, plus a few cashew nuts to bring a bit of crunch. These two ingredients are optional, so you can even exclude them if you prefer. 400 millilitres of water. This can also be replaced with milk. Without further ado, let's heat up our pan. Now that the pan is hot enough, add the ghee and let it melt into a liquid. Once the ghee has melted, you can add the cashew nuts and stir for a few seconds. Next, you can add in the raisins. Then stir again. After cooking the cashew nuts and the raisins for a little bit, you can add in the ground rice. Then continue to stir until all of the white particles have blended in with the ghee. You'll be able to tell as the colour will change. Once the ground rice turns golden brown, we can add jaggery or even sugar. Stir well so that the jaggery is evenly dispersed. Once it's been mixed properly, we can then add water. Add water or milk and stir it into the mix. At this stage, you might get concerned thinking, oh no, that's too much water, but don't panic. Just keep stirring and eventually the water will become absorbed in no time. As you continue to stir, it will start to look like a thick paste. Then it will start to become thicker and less runny as the water is being absorbed. The recipe is quite simple. Throughout the rest of the process, you just have to stir with breaks in between until the ground rice is turned into somewhat of a fluffy dough-like texture. For a reference of time, the ground rice halwa has been cooking for 10 to 12 minutes and it's now ready to eat. And that concludes our video today. We hope you enjoyed learning this recipe, and if you can, please do try it out. Personally, I like my halwa with a warm cup of tea, so you should definitely try this combo and let us know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!